Hi friends, welcome to Kushi Well. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is fine and staying healthy at home. In this video, I am going to explain about the Nawara rice, health benefits and how to cook Nawara rice. Before cooking, we have to soak the Nawara rice for 4 hours, and cooking in the earthen pot is very essential because it preserves all the nutrients and vitamins which are present in this Nawara rice as it is without loss. Through cooking, I'll say you details of Nawara rice health benefits and also the Ayurvedic medicinal values of Nawara rice. To test whether this Nawara rice is pure or not, while you are washing, you will get water like this in pink color. If that color is pink, you can say that is pure Nawara rice. So you should soak the rice for 4 hours. After that, you can wash them and directly you can cook on the sim flame. You see, the water which is present after washing will be in pinkish color. That is the indication of pure Nawara rice. So I have already soaked for 4 hours and I have kept on flame. That is, we should cook Nawara rice in the sim only, in the sim flame. Why? Because it can cook very slowly so that loss of nutrients will be very less. And cooking in the earthen pot is also very important. Coming to the medicinal values of Nawara rice is very rich in microelements like zinc and other microelements which are very essential for the growth. It increases infants, that is babies' weight if taken as porridge. And you have to use Nawara rice for diabetic patients. Why? Because it is very good for them. It controls diabetes and sugar levels. Because the release of sugar from the rice is very slow and it makes the diabetes under control. And I promise you, if you take Nawara rice meal for one day, for one meal, if you continue it for 40 days, you can keep away diabetes and the diabetes will be under control without medication. The other good thing in Nawara rice is it helps in neurological disorders. It has a lot of value in the Kerala Ayurvedic medicine because they use them for the massage for the paralysis patients, which improves their blood flow. When the blood flow increases, you can reduce your heart diseases as well as neurological diseases because it supplies good blood flow to the brain and also heart and also to all the nerves. In this way, Nawara rice is very important in the case of health, in preserving your health. It is very good for paralysis patients, for diabetic patients and for small children if they are less in weight. For example, small babies, if they are less in weight, through Nawara rice powder you can make a porridge and feed them so that they can increase their weight very easily. And one more good thing is, one more medicinal value for Nawara rice is, when this Nawara rice is under cooking, when the water gets boiled, if you take this water, if you take this rice water and if you add some sugar to it and you can take as a drink in summer season so that it prevents you from sunstroke. If anyone is suffering from sunstrokes or some ultraviolet rays effect, if you give this rice water by adding some salt, then you can keep away the sunstroke. And one more thing is, this rice water, if you apply to your hair, it increases your hair nourishment. And also, if you take Navara rice as one meal, your skin tone increases and your nourishment also increases. It keeps your digestive system very cool and safe without any gastric disorders. So I have taken the water when it is getting boiled, and I have added a pinch of salt. If you take this rice water, this will be very helpful in preventing sunstrokes. Navara rice is very rich in antioxidants and also anthocyanin, which helps in the free blood flow, and also it acts as anti-carcinogenic agents, that is, which keeps away the cancer away. So my rice is getting cooked now. It takes only a few more minutes. See, the water gets boiled, and also now the water dried off. The rice also get cooking very nicely, and in this way you will get Navara rice after cooking. You have to add 1:4 amount of water. That's I have forgotten. If you take 1 glass of rice, you must add 4 glasses of water for cooking. You see how this is getting cooked, and this will be very nice to eat also. If you take Navara rice with some chicken, or which is having a loose gravy or sambar, it will be very, very nice, very, very tasty, and very, very delicious also. So in this way you can cook the Navara rice. If you have cooked in the earthen pot, it can preserve all the nutrients, all the antioxidants in the rice itself, and you may not lose any nutrients if you have taken it from the earthen pot. Okay, I hope you like this video, friends. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. And living close to the nature itself is a gift of God. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, friends. God bless you all.